Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are in mommy's room. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. Please ring that notification bell because you're going to be getting notifications whenever I upload my videos. To everybody who hasn't subscribed, so I don't know why you're watching my videos without subscribing. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Why are you watching? Like, it's free. It's really free. No, like seriously, it's free. You just hit that. You see the red button right there that says subscribe? Yeah, just hit it. Just hit that subscribe button. We're gonna wait for you actually. Are you done? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get this look and actually how I wash my hair, my everyday routine of washing my hair. So you don't have to wash your hair every day. There's no need to wash your hair every day unless it is itchy or you just have a lot of residue on your hair, or you have like a lot of product on your hair. So yeah guys, let's get it. So first things first, you need to know your porosity.
What is porosity? Hair porosity is about hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. The porosity of your hair affects how well oils and moisture pass in and out of the utmost layer of your hair, known as the cuticle.
I'm gonna be using this shampoo. I use this shampoo. It was actually prescribed for me. I'm gonna be talking about that on my next video. Why do I use a medicated shampoo? And it's been working very well for me. Black Pearl. If you know, you know. This is gonna be used to make my hair a little bit more manageable so that I don't really break my hair while detangling it. I'm gonna be getting my hair ready for the shampoo. I love these products. These products are everything, and the smell. The smell is amazing. Whoa. Okay, and then I have my comb. Let's get the washing started.
So guys, here I'm gonna coat my hair with the conditioner. I'm trying to open up my cuticles with the conditioner and manage my hair in a way that I can detangle it. And as you can see, I'm detangling it, trying to soften it up, and there you go, it's soft. And I furthermore detangle.
So guys, this is my hair detangled, and as you can see, the way it feels, it's totally different. Here I can still feel that there are tangles, but this side is just so soft and manageable, and I can work with this, right? So yeah.
Before going any further, you should check the water if it's warm, because it's going to allow the cuticles of the hair and pores on the scalp to open up to help remove any dirt. So I'm going to furthermore detangle.
Now that I've used the conditioner onto my hair, now I have to use my medicated shampoo. So what I usually do, I just put my hair like so.
very important that you open up your hair like that, because we want the hydration, we want water, we want H2O, we want it all to be on our scalp, and just refresh our scalp and just massage your scalp like that. And yeah, now here we're just checking if our scalp is clean as promised, and it is clean.
So now I'm gonna move on to my deep conditioning. So let's get to it. Oh, smell of this. And it's so thick, guys. Like it's really thick.
So guys, it's very important to deep condition your hair every week of your wash day, because it's gonna retain moisture and shine to your hair. So I'm just gonna do that. If your hands cannot glide through, your fingers can't glide through your hair, just use a white comb. And we are detangling furthermore. Detangle. It's very important to detangle your hair, because we don't want any tangles when you are rinsing it off. And they are gliding through, it means it's detangled. This is me trying to get my curls popping.
Look at that, guys. I've been doing this for a while, so that's why I have that. So I'm gonna put on a cap. Sponsored by ShopRite.
So guys, the best part about deep conditioning is this part, because this is where we're gonna generate the heat, and this is gonna help our hair to get all the goodness, all the nutrients from the product onto our hair.
So I'm gonna wait for an hour. So I'll see you guys after an hour. So guys, I'm back. It's been an hour. So I'm just gonna take the cap out.
So here I'm just trying to check if my curls are popping, and they are. Now we're gonna rinse out the deep conditioner. Waiting for an hour helps the deep conditioner to really get into your hair shaft and gain back the natural shine of your hair. And I can say my hair feels soft and clean. So yeah, let's get that shine, girl.
moisturize my hair because I want it to be a separate video. So yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and just comment on how you treat your hair and how long does it take. So yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning. My hair feels so good. Comment and share this video with your friends and family, anybody